previous. Next exercise we have data handling, and at first we are going to solve the exercise 18a, where we have to find mean. What is this mean? This mean is the average. We know in simple language we say it average. What is that? We have to find the sum of datas. I have given the datas 5, 8, 9 and 10. I have to find the sum of datas. Mean is equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. You don't have to write it every time. This is to make you understand I have written. So sum of observation gives you 5 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. By how many observations we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Divided by 4. Now add it up. 5 plus 8, 13. Plus 9, 22. Plus 10, 32 by 4, or it is 8 is the mean. Okay, we have to add the numbers and then we have to divide how many numbers are there. That will be the mean. Look at number B. 10, 14, 15, 13 and 12. So mean will be 10 plus 14 plus 15 plus 13 plus 12 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 plus 14, 24, plus 5, 29, plus 10, 39, plus 3, 42, plus 10, 52, plus 2, 64 by 5. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 12.8. This will be the mean. In this way we have to find the mean. Look at number 7. The square numbers from 1 to 100, both the numbers are inclusive, means these two numbers are included. Now what are the square numbers we have? We know square number, when a number is multiplied with itself, it gives you square numbers, is it? Number 7. Square numbers between 1 to 100. So the first square number is 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9, 4 into 4, 16, 5 into 5, 25, 6 into 6, 36, 7 into 7, 49, 8 into 8, 64, 9 into 9, 81 and 10 into 10, 100. These are the square numbers only between 1 to 100. How do we got? 1 into 1. This 2 into 2, a number multiplied with itself, 3 into 3. Is it? Now mean we have to find. 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25 plus 36 plus 49 plus 64 plus 81 plus 100 divided by 10. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 9, 14 plus 6, 20, 20 plus 5, 25, 25 plus 6, 31, 31 plus 9, 40, 40 plus 4, 45, 44, 45, carrying 4, 4 plus 8, 12, 6, 18, 4, 22, 3, 25, 2, 27, 28, 8, carrying 1, 385 by 10 or 38.5 will be the mean. So in this way we have to solve. We have to find the mean of the numbers which is given on the top. If there is a doubt, you can ask me in tomorrow's live class. So look at question number 2. Next we have the mean of this number is 79. Find the value of x. x plus 1 plus x minus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x minus 3. Now you can see how many numbers you have. I am using bracket so you can understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divided by 5 is equal to 79. This is the mean. Now we have given mean now. So 5 numbers, sum of 5 numbers divided by 5 is equal to 79. Now we'll add how many x we have? 5x plus 1 plus 2, 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 by 5 is equal to 79. Now 5x minus 1 is equal to 79 into 5. 5x minus 1 is equal to 5 9s are 45, 5 7s are 35 and 4 39. Or 5x is equal to 395 plus 1, 5x is equal to 396, or x is equal to 396 divided by 5. 5 7s are 35, 5 7s are 35, 4 5 9s are 45, 79.2. The value of x is 79.2. This is the value of x for question number 2. Number 3 you have to do, I don't know. Now range is equal to maximum minus minimum. Otherwise I will do number 3, number 4 you will do. Okay. So look at number 3. The heights of 10 girls are given. Question number 3. Height of 10 girls. It is 127 centimeter, 146 centimeter, 145 centimeter, 125 centimeter, 130 centimeter, 136 centimeter, 140 centimeter, 124 centimeter, then 135 centimeter and 143 centimeter. These are the heights of the girls given to you. Now the first question they have asked, the height of the tallest girl. Now you see the maximum height what we have, 146, 45, 40, 43. So 146 centimeter is the height of tallest girl is, right? Height of tallest girl 146 centimeter. Number 2, height of shortest girl. You can see the minimum height 124 centimeter. The range of girl's height is maximum height minus minimum height. This is the range. Maximum minus minimum. The meaning of range is this. So maximum height we have got 146 centimeter. Minimum is 124 centimeter. When we subtract, we get 22 centimeter is the range of height. Okay. And the last question, mean of the heights that you do, dear. Mean will be doing this also. 7, 6, 13, 5, 18, 5, 23, 6, 29, 4, 33, 5, 39, 3, 42. Carry 4, 4, 8, 3, 11, 12, 13, 4, 17, 3, 20, 323, 2, 25, 4, 29, 4, 33, 2, 35. Carrying 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. By 10. Or this is 135.2 centimeter is the mean height. Now this is 1. Just 135.1 centimeter is the mean height. So number 4 you have to do. Question number 4 is homework. Question number 4 is homework. You have to finish question number 4. I will be sending you the PDF for question number 5 and all. Thank you, dears.